Hey there, welcome back. Today let's focus on Creality Cloud's standout feature, the 3D model library. With high quality, original, exclusive models, it is a treasure trove for 3D printing enthusiasts. Whether you print right away with print files or get creative with model file downloads, Creality Cloud offers convenience and flexibility. The journey continues. Let's explore together. Navigating and discovering models on Creality Cloud is a breeze. Simply go to the Models section in the menu bar, where you'll encounter the key features that elevate your exploration. Discovery, popular tags, all categories, collections, and tools. Models navigation. Popular tags and all categories house all the models, allowing you to navigate through them using various tag filters or by exploring different categories. Collections showcases popular model themes such as Christmas, plant pots, buttons, trophies, and more. Tools provides a platform for crafting your own models, from personalized pen holders to advanced lithophane makers and beyond. Discovery offers a range of shortcuts, providing quick access to the trendiest model categories, including premium, discount, coupon, or exclusive models. What sets the Creality Cloud 3D library apart is its hosting of extensive print files with each model, eliminating the need for separate slicing process. When selecting certain models, you can utilize the print file listed on the model detail page to initiate your prints directly. For those who prefer to skip the slicing process, print files serve as an excellent starting point, offering a convenient way to commence your 3D printing endeavors. Contests and leaderboards. If you're looking for some inspiration, head over to the Contests section and check out the models that match the theme. And for the hottest and most popular models on Creality Cloud, the leaderboard is where it's at. The majority of models featured in contests or leaderboard sections come with makes files and print files, providing additional information about your prints. Check them out. Navigating through the world of 3D models has never been more intuitive. Join us on Creality Cloud and embark on a seamless journey of discovery and creation. Easily explore our diverse collection by visiting the Models section and clicking All Categories. Dive into characters, vehicles, aircraft, toys, and more. It's a 3D printing paradise. Zoom in with subcategories, like the dedicated reptilian page under animals. And don't miss the designer's palette. Our model tags offer precise searches for your creative needs. Customize your exploration with nifty filters in the upper right corner. What's trending? What's getting the most views? You choose. Whether you're dreaming up characters, crafting vehicles, or unleashing aircraft masterpieces, Creality Cloud has the perfect model waiting for your touch. Dive in, customize, and let your 3D printing adventure begin effortlessly. Once you've got your eye on a particular model, just click on the image to dive into the model's details. 3D Preview. Upon entering the model detail page, you have the opportunity to examine more images of the model. Creality Cloud facilitates a comprehensive understanding of the structure and additional details by offering a 3D perspective. Simply click on the 3D Preview to access the corresponding page. This feature allows you to inspect each part of the model and freely adjust the viewing angle by dragging the model. Mark the model with like or favorite. On the right side of the page, you have the option to like, favorite, share, or download the model. All the models you've liked will be neatly stored in your personal center for easy access. Perfect for later review or when you're ready to hit print. Check the makes or comment. Continuing to scroll down reveals additional model details, such as the model description and model files. These files enable you to either slice or download individual parts directly. Following that, you'll encounter makes and print files, providing insights into how other users have realized these designs. You can observe printed results, discover the printing duration, and obtain the same print files for your own use. Certain models may feature PDF or TXT files containing crafting instructions provided by the designers. In addition, you have the option to review community comments regarding this model. Showcase your creations. Don't hesitate to share your prints with the community. Just click Add a Make on the model detail page and showcase your creation. You have the option to upload both your print image and print files, allowing others to replicate your work. This provides an opportunity for fellow users to appreciate your craftsmanship displayed under this particular model. Model acquisition and savings. Obtain the model. If you're ready to 3D print this model, you can acquire the model files for slicing by choosing either the Package Download or Cloud Slice button. Alternatively, if you prefer to bypass the slicing process, you can directly obtain G-code files from the Print Files section for immediate printing. In addition to batch download or slice options, you can also obtain individual files in the Files or Print Files sections for your specific use. Purchase the model. If the model requires credits, you may need to proceed through the purchasing process before slicing or downloading. How to use coupons. You may come across some paid models that offer coupons, enabling substantial savings on your model purchases. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use coupons. 1. Add coupon-eligible models to your shopping cart. 2. Click Checkout to navigate to the shopping cart page. 3. Click Coupon to access and acquire coupons based on your requirements. 4. As the total amount of models in your cart reaches the coupon threshold, eligible coupons will appear and be selectable in the Use Coupon section. 5. Select the desired coupon to apply the discount. It's important to note that coupons can only be applied to specific models, which can be identified in the coupon categories. Achieving successful 3D prints involves considering various factors, including model scale, filament type, print specifications, support settings. If you're new to this 3D printing game, diving into all these details can be a bit overwhelming. So start with easy to print models. These give you a way higher success rate. Recommended categories for beginner level models include simple graphics, cups, bottles, simple animal models, or things like that. Easy to print category. Creality Cloud has got your back with a dedicated easy to print category, tailor-made for those just stepping into the 3D printing world. Simply navigate to Models, Discovery, and here it is. Pre-verified print files. If slicing those models feels like wrestling a grizzly bear, fear not. Some models come with a pre-verified print files, G-code, right there on the detailed page. This enables you to print them directly, eliminating the need for additional slicing or specification setup. Beyond grabbing the print file on the model detail page, you can also discover printer-specific print files in the Models and Print Files section under your chosen printer in the Products menu. Print file. It's like a cheat code for 3D printing. Saves you time and effort. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let's make those 3D prints a breeze. The Creality Cloud Model Library is your gateway to a world of innovation and creativity. Dive into the possibilities, unleash your imagination, and bring your ideas to life with our extensive collection of 3D models. Your next exciting project is just a click away. Happy printing, and stay tuned for more creative journeys ahead.